enhance your natural beauty, but there are some things that you're probably doing that are instantly aging yourself. So let's get to overplucking. Let me tell you, the key to looking youthful are lush, full brows. But sometimes we get crazy with the tweezers, we start to overpluck and overshape. And it can really look unnatural and even a little too theatrical. So if you have overplucked, I'm here to help. First things first, fill in those sparse areas with some taupe eyeshadow. That's the easiest way. It'll give you a little bit of shape without looking too harsh. Then, do not, under any circumstance, touch your eyebrows if you've overplucked. Make sure that you let that hair grow in so that in 6 weeks you can go and see a professional and they can shape it naturally for you. And if you do have thin brows, that's totally fine. Just be sure not to overshape them or they can look really theatrical. Eyeliner is a great makeup tool if you use it correctly. So if you are going to wear it on your lower lash line, beware, because if you put too much, it's going to draw down your eye without actually opening it up. So it's not helping you look youthful at all. If you do want to define underneath your lower lash line, a few things you can do is use an eyeshadow and an angled eyeliner brush. That way the application is a lot softer, or try lining your waterline instead. Lip liner is another one of those beauty products that can really enhance your look if you know how to use it correctly. But unfortunately, we've all seen those people that have really harsh edges on their lips. Looks like their lips were drawn on, and it's not a good look on anyone. So make sure you keep it natural. Don't go overboard. Make sure that your lip liner matches your lipstick. What a novel concept, but we're not back in the 90s. We don't want the two-tone lips. And one thing that I really like to do when I'm putting on lip liner is use a nude pencil. That way it looks like it's your natural lip outline instead of like it's two different colors. Dewy skin is youthful skin, so try not to cake on your foundation and pile it on, because when your skin looks matte, when it looks dry, it eventually makes you look a lot older than you are. So one thing you can do is when you put on that foundation, make it really sheer. Only put it on the 5 points of your face, your forehead, your cheeks, your nose, and your chin, and then lightly blend it outward. If you do have a blemish, only conceal that area. You don't need to put concealer all over and then try to mix it together. Just right on top of that blemish, and that's it. And if you do wear a powder foundation, which I really like, load up on moisturizer beforehand, and then use a primer before you apply it, because it'll help to conceal those fine lines so that the powder won't fall into it. And finally, the colors that you wear on your face can actually be dating you as well. It's true. So if you're wearing those glittery blues and purples, look like you took a throwback to the 80s, and you don't want to do that. Even those really baby pink Barbie lipsticks that they used to wear, it's just not a good look anymore. So some things you can do. Subtle shimmer can be so gorgeous. Just don't go overboard with the glitter. You know, reserve your eyeshadow shades during the day for taupes, browns, really natural shades. And for your lips, you can go to the baby pink area. You can even do a nice nude shade, but make it a gloss. When you add that luster to your lips, it makes you look a lot more youthful, makes your lips look a lot more plump, and it looks a lot more modern too. When it comes down to it, a more natural approach to makeup will help you look a lot more youthful. I'm Curvy, and we'll see you next time on Pop Sugar Beauty.